Is there anything about your school or work that you wish would change? Listen to this story and learn how to express wishes using would.
Hey, Anne. Want to eat lunch with me now?
Sure, I'm really hungry. I wish they would give us a break for lunch earlier.
Me too. Where do you want to eat?
I don't know. I wish it would stop raining so we could eat outside.
I wish we could too. But how about we just go to the cafeteria?
Sure, that sounds good. We use the word wish to talk about things that we want to be true. When we're expressing a wish about something we don't like in the present, we can use would plus the base form of a verb. I wish they wouldn't talk so loud. I can't concentrate on my homework. I wish you would come to the party. It's fun. What is something that you wish would change? Tell us in the comments. This is American English. Thank you for watching.